could it be? Just a look, just a touch. I never wanted anything so much. How do I let you know?